Let's get more on the economy and the market in Taiwan and bring in Tim Kolpan, a reporter in Taipei. And Tim, we're talking about positive economic data across the Asia-Pac region. And Taiwan exports, one example, came in better than expected yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning. They came in at down 30%, which is better than what was expected of a down 34%. So a few percentage points difference there. And it was basically in line with the fall that we've seen in the last few months. You know, it was better than expected, but at the end of the day, it is down by a large amount. And we're hoping that in the next coming months that that will be a bit more of a pickup. And the government themselves predict that the second half of the year will be much better than the first.
Yeah, Tim, the export story is a big part of the rally that we've seen in Taiwan stocks. But is this rally going to continue? Because we're seeing the Taiex falling today in trade.
Well, that's right. I mean, you just look at the Taiex today and the Taiex yesterday, you can see that, well, obviously some investors think that it's time to take some profits and call for a pullback. Credit Suisse yesterday actually themselves said that Taiwan is overvalued. They recommended taking your money out of Taiwan and putting it into some Southeast Asian stocks. So there's definitely a lot of investors out there that believe that this bull run that's continued this year, up 44% for the year, basically needs to take a bit of a breather.
And how expensive are Taiwan stocks, say, in comparison to stocks across the rest of the region?
Well, that's a very good question. I mean, as I said, Taiwan's up 44% this year, and that makes Taiwan basically trading at about 21 times estimated earnings for this year. Now, you compare that to somewhere like the Shanghai Composite, which is actually up even more. It's up over 50% this year, but it's trading, a few percentage points lower. And then you compare it to, say, Kospi, or you compare it to the Straits Times Index or the Hang Seng. Taiwan is really quite expensive, up to 5, 6, 7 percentage points higher than other similar markets in the region.
Okay, Tim, thanks for checking in. That's Tim Kolpan, a reporter in Taipei.